PhiCleaner's cleaning can cover 100% of PV panels, can thoroughly clean frame stains. But do you really know how clean PhiCleaner's cleaning is? Let's take a look at the PV panels before cleaning. PhiCleaner goes straight. The straight travel accuracy is less than 5 millimeters. Deep cleaning of frame stains. Weather cleaning of regular stains. Or heavy stains. PhiCleaner can make your PV panels clean as new. Let's see the results of PhiCleaner cleaning. We promise that the above are all actual measurement results. And we also believe that actual measurement is the truth. Are you satisfied with the cleanliness of PhiCleaner?